Hello everyone, I'm John Newman, this is HowEasy, and today I want to present you Paint.net, some add-ons, installation and simple tutorial. I want to present you my favorite software for editing pictures and photos. It's really nice software, you can find it for free in this website, getpaint.net. It's totally free, and best of that, it's the developers of the software still working on some new features and add-ons, so you can find many add-ons to this software. Easy install it on this link. Both of the links I will give you under the video. And here on this website you can find really everything. Just search about some add-ons and I think that you will find that. On the end of the video I will show you which features and add-ons I use for my work. Okay, so let's get download our software. So it's really easy. On the main page you just click here and just want to know, you must to click on this link. It's for free. Here is paid. I don't know why, but okay. Let's start with downloading. Okay, so just double click on our new download file. You can use normally Express installation or custom, it's up to you. I agree, next. Okay, so we finished the installation. We can start painting it now. I use for my work these three plugins: editable text, open SVG files, and PSD plugin. I will show you how to add some plugins to this software. In every files of the plugins you have tutorial how to install the plugins, but it's usually really easy because you have here effects and file types, and effects is just put to the effects folder in the folder of software, like this. Replace, continue. Okay, after that you have here file types, continue. Okay, this is how we install the plugins. Okay, so this is our software. We will look around this software. There is many options with a tool, or I usually use it here, open permanently. Here is history. It's really good because you move back or to the front. If you make some mistake, it's really good. You have here layers. It's a little bit similar like Photoshop. Let's start working with it. Just easily click File and open new picture. First add-on, what you need, it's create a new layer. And in this layer, just click Effects, Tools, and Editable Text. Now, easily, if you want to edit, here it's not possible in this layer, but here, if you click again to the Effects, Tools, Editable Text. Okay. Second plugin what I use is save as a PSD file, and it's very useful because you can use it and after edit in Photoshop. So if you wanna send it to your friends who have paid Photoshop, it's useful. So easy and save as Photoshop. Okay, it's good because it saves your layers and you can edit in Photoshop. And third is just for open the editable animation, and it's really useful for you too if you are some webmaster or something like that. Okay, so it was all, and we will see you next time.